Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a miniature pool inflatable. I've made this one for my Hero crossbars. As you can see, it looks really cute and it fits in nicely. So the clay I used is this silk clay, and I've got a yellow one and an orange one for the beak. It's really simple to use and a lot of fun, and I also used this black Posca pen just to draw some eyes on. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna save some for the head, so about that much for the duck's head. And I'm going to take this bit, I'm going to roll it into a ball like so. And then I'm going to roll it into a longer like sausage shape. And next I'm going to put it around his waist. So I want it to be about maybe just a little bit longer. So it goes about 3/4, I'd say. Around 3/4 or so around the waist of your figure. Yeah, that looks quite good. And now I'm going to take this piece that I separated, I'm going to roll this into a ball. Like so. I'm going to press this onto the middle part. And that's like the duck's head. And then next we need to take some of this orange and make a beak. I'm going to roll it into a ball. And then I'm going to cut that in the middle without going all the way through. And then I'm just going to flatten the ends a bit to make it look more like a beak. And then I'm going to press it on to that front ball that we just stuck on, like so. Okay, so once you've made like the rubber ring and the head, you should have something that looks like this. And next I'm going to take this black Posca pen just to draw on 2 eyes. And there's your miniature pool inflatable.